Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I'll be talking about WishCare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate, but not the typical it's amazing spill. Instead, let's talk about what didn't work, what to watch out for, and why you might want to think twice before buying. I just want to share my experience. Uh, I don't know, like according to season, I'm having hair fall award. At that time, my hair fall stopped when I was using this, and I do saw baby hair grow on my hair. But apart from that, whenever I used to apply this serum, I used to get like my hairs to come out in my hand. It was that bad. So from the day I have stopped using that, it didn't work for me. But the benefit it gave me, like as I said, major hair fall. Also, baby hair, that's a plus point. Kind of maybe work for some people. I don't know how. Like I have seen many positive review also, but why it didn't work for me, I don't know. If something is working for me, I never go for the price. I just buy whatever is required and whatever is necessary for my hair and skin. But many people like can't afford this, so the quantity they should make it little more at this price. I'm just sharing my personal experience. I would not recommend this to anyone who is having hair fall, and especially nowadays, like in monsoon, people are having most of the people are having hair fall. Don't go for the positive reviews which are creating on social media. If you want, you can give it a try for 2 3 days, and if it's working for you, it's fine. If it's not, then directly stop it, otherwise you will lose all your hair. And also, if you're using it, do share your experience also with me, that I really want to know why it didn't work for me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.